and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
If you want to be creative and be a musician or whatever, you can leave your work, focus on your talent, your skill, your passion, your aspirations, because you will have health care. You don't have to be job locked.
When we talk about this idea of reopening society, only in America does the president, when the president tweets about liberation, does he mean go back to work? When we, have this discussion about going back or reopening, I think a lot of people should just say, no, we're not going back to that.
It's just a wonderful world we're living in.
It's unbelievable, isn't it? You got to be nuts to listen to these people. This is why the economy is where it is. Another reason. You got these nut jobs. But the bottom line, our economy is never going to go back to normal. We stop listening to these people on these fake business news networks. They're telling you, it's like they're talking like they're going to flip a switch. You know why? The same people that tell you this never ran a business. They don't get it. How do you get production going again? Do you understand what's going on? All the orders, all the way down the line, are all screwed up. I used to run a sawmill, and I had a company that we made furniture. And if I owned that today, how would I get that all going again? All the orders down the line would be canceled. All the furniture companies in the country, they wouldn't be ordering. Instead, they'd be canceling their orders, not ordering. They're laying their people off. I'd have to continue laying my people off. I mean, what a mess. How do you get it all up and going, getting productivity back? Once you disrupt that productivity, it's like taking you have a chain and you take one link out. But see, these aren't business people who run this country. They're a bunch of gangsters. They don't understand. They don't want to understand. Are you kidding? Pelosi wonders what she's going to put in her $45,000 freezer for ice cream. That's the biggest decision she's got to make. Well, you know what decisions we're making for our gang? Well, this mess they created with this lockdown, with making people depend on a $1,200 check or a $600 check. That is probably the most destructive. Now, yes, I'm glad people got their 1,200. I'm glad people got their 600. We should have never been there anyways to begin with. My point is, yes, I'm glad you got it. You need the help. I'm not arguing about that. What I'm saying is you never should have been in that position. What we could have done is did a moratorium for 5 years, 5 months on withholding tax. No more withholding tax. And all withholding tax, with withholding tax, when you tax someone's labor, there's nothing more cruel than that. You get your labor all week and you go and you see what they deduct. That's pretty cruel. If that's what they should have done, just get rid of it permanently. That'd be better than these checks. But I can't change that. What I can change is your attitude towards the stock market. Because we have a fantastic chart that all you have to do is know green and red. Red, I don't get in the stock. Green, I buy the stock. All of a sudden, your stock's going up beautifully. It tells you, hey, it's red. You better get out. Do you get something from your 401k manager that says, hey, I think you better get out right now? Or how about better yet? I think you should take your profits and let's turn it around and let's start shorting the market, making money on the way down. How about that? Or how about what groups of stock you should be in? You think they put you in the best stocks in your 401k? No, they don't. They put you in the worst performing stocks. That's right. Most people don't understand that. The 401ks, they put you in the worst the worst productivity, I should say. The worst returns. There you go. Sorry about that. The worst returns. They give you stocks. They give you ETFs. They give you garbage where they make money. The company makes money. Wall Street makes money. And you get garbage where there's no performance. You get stocks with lousy performance, for heaven's sakes. Then you get fees up the yin-yang. So, we've been focusing heavily on gold and gold mining stocks. And I showed my members this morning, I took the 11, S&P has 11 groups, 11 sectors, 11 sections, if you will. You got communication, you got consumer discretionary, you got consumer staples, energy, financials, healthcare, industrials, materials, real estate, technology, utilities. That makes up the S&P. The S&P. The technology is probably the biggest part, 20%. Next comes healthcare, 14%. Those two are the big boys. And I showed them on my chart. I put up gold. I put up GLD. I put up gold mining, GDX. And they have outperformed every sector. Every sector. What does that tell you? The stock market's not coming back. It's telling you that the stock market's going to go and test the lows. It's telling you there's huge inflation coming. Or what am I talking about coming? It's here. It's here. It's telling you that this market is ready for another run at the bottom. But the way they talk, everything is going to be just fine. Everything's okay. And that's the problem when there's only 6 media outlets. And these 6 media control what you think, what you hear, and they control the fake business news networks. They tell you exactly what they want you to hear. I mean, this is insane. I mean, they're telling you stuff that's so full of BS it's going to hurt you. When we get back, I'm going to tell you how well we're doing, what we're doing, and what you should be doing with us. Be right back after this break. Join my gang, free for 10 days.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
Remember, when this market crashed in 2009, it should have never crashed because the chairperson of these two committees, their job was to protect consumers, protect our investments, and they're supposed to ensure that our investments are being monitored. Where were they in 2009 and 2008? They weren't anywhere because they don't do that. They take care of themselves. They protect themselves. They become richer. So you can't depend on these crooks in Congress. The stock market is a great place to be, but you just got to know this is a different market than your grandfather's market. So why don't you, for 30 days, join my gang, 877-600-GANG, try it for 30 days, $39.95. Follow me. I tell you when to buy, when to sell, when to add, and when to run like hell. All I ask you, start making money. Please remember St. Jude.
Don't wait. Join Phil's Gang today and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
PhilsGang.com is not the only way you can stay in touch with what we do throughout the day. With today's social media, you can stay up to date with Phil's Gang current events. You can find Phil's Gang on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and more. Phil's Gang radio show is broadcast live Monday through Friday from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Facebook, Periscope, and, of course, YouTube. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Go to philsgang.com and find our social media buttons at the top left-hand corner of the site. philsgang.com and Phil's Gang social media, keeping you connected.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. What if you could have an in-depth understanding of the stock market just like the pros? Well, thanks to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com, you can. philsgang.com offers comprehensive, up-to-date market information designed to help you understand and anticipate market behavior. With philsgang.com, you'll build your investing confidence even through down cycles and periods of uncertainty. Go to philsgang.com. philsgang.com today. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. Welcome back. Learn, invest, and make profits with Phil Grandy. Simply go to philsgang.com. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. I get emails, and they ask me how come I'm not talking about what's going on with General Kelly and all that stuff, the FBI, because you're getting swamped with that stuff. Everybody's talking about it. No matter what station you turn to in your radio, what TV program, they're all doing that. I'm going to stick with what makes money because very few people do that. I'm going to explain to you what this all means. We've had this market crash. They're blaming it on the virus, which is a total lie. The virus has nothing to do with the crash. All it had to do, it pricked the bubble that was created by the Federal Reserve of 2,800 individuals who they alone decide the interest rates. They do. Where did they get this authority from? Then they decide how much money they're going to print. Our representatives don't say anything. Our representatives don't sit there and say, wait a minute, stop printing this kind of money. You're killing my people back home. The more you're printing, we have no gold standard. We need a gold standard. You're killing them. But most people don't understand the system. That's the problem. Most people go to this grocery store and they blame the grocery store because the price is going up. Hey, get over here. Where's the clerk? Where's the manager of the produce here? What the hell are you doing? My carrots are up. My carrots are up 45 cents. What are you doing? I want to talk to the manager. They don't get it. It's nothing to do with them. It has to do with the Federal Reserve. That's why your carrots are up. That's why your milk's up. That's why everything's up. You have to pay for this. 20 million jobs since 2008. You think you'd be proud of that? Do you know 78% of those jobs were garbage jobs? Service jobs, bartenders, waiters, waitresses, people that, maids that clean the hotel room, just all garbage jobs. We've never had so many people. When the stock market's going up 400%, they're telling us this is the best economy ever. Best economy ever. The economy's booming. They said the economy's booming.
Our economy is booming like never before.
So how come if it's booming, you got 20 million jobs, but over 75% of those jobs are garbage? And most of those jobs, people are taking for their second and third job. Second and third job because they can't make it. Economy never boomed. The stock market boomed. But see, when you got the same people who are printing the money, who are setting the rates, who control what you hear and read and what you see, and they control what the fake business news networks tell you, and every day they come out and tell you, boy, the economy's wonderful, economy's terrific. Like this.
COVID-19 related declines in business activity will begin to fade away, perhaps as early as this May, late May, and that we'll enter a period of recurring growth.
No, you're not. We didn't have any recurring growth to begin with. See, that's what I mean. How many people ever look and track our economic growth quarter by quarter? I do it for my gang every day. Every day. I tell them, every day I follow how's the economy growing? How's the economy growing? Our GDP growth. I also follow every day earnings. And then we get the quarterly numbers. And the quarterly numbers for the last 5 years in both those items, earnings, profits, okay, and economic growth, were going down, not up, but they never tell you that. They keep telling you this economy was booming. But we haven't got one road fixed, one bridge fixed. In fact, they cut back 40%. The economy's doing so good, then how come they cut back 40%? The government cut back 40% in their investments in renewable energy, in infrastructure, bridges, and roads. They cut back 40%. If the economy was booming, They cut back infrastructure, energy, education. Wait a minute, you just told me it's booming. Why are you cutting that back? And why are you keeping interest rates near zero? I mean, the economy's booming, interest rates go up, not down. But they control the 6 outlets. And they control the fake business news network. Well, you know what? I control my chart. They don't control my chart. I control my chart. So my members are going to know when to buy, when to add to their position, when to buy, when to sell, and when to run like hell. And right now, GDX and GLD, 2 gold mining, gold stock, they are outperforming all 11 sectors in the S&P. All 11 of them. All 11. Now, I told my members today, we started out today, and we're doing fine. Think about this. We're up 19% in Microsoft. We're up 29% in Facebook, 27% in Netflix, Intel 8%, Starbucks 19%, Caterpillar 5%, TNDM is up 24%. We got our oil sector. We're doing really good. The oils are coming back for us. Valero 12%. XOP, that's an ETF for production of oil and gas, so forth. That's 9% we're up, and we just started with that. 5% in MRO. That's one of my favorite refiners. I mean, I can go on, but I don't just sit here and think, oh, it's just going to keep going up. Yep, just going to keep going. No, it's not going to keep going up. We're going to know when to get out. That's the key. When do you get out of these? And that's why I urge you, please, join my gang. Try it for 10 days free, no cost. And every day at 2 o'clock, we post a video, tell you exactly what to do with the stocks that we are in. I mean, you can't get any better than that, can you? I mean, think about it. Every day at 2 o'clock, we do a posting. We tell you exactly what to do. So our director of education, he gets together with everybody, and then right before 2 o'clock, they look at all the action of the market, the different sectors, and then they tell you exactly what to do with your stock. So today we put them in advance of, we said, why don't you start buying? We're going to do an inverse on SPY. We bought it. We're up 5% now. I said, okay, let's do the inverse. I think this market's going to go back down, so let's get set up with SDS. That means when the market starts dropping, the stock goes up. Because a lot of people get scared shorting. They don't understand what it is. So instead of shorting the spiders from 286 on the S&P, we buy the spiders, SDS. It's the inverse. So we buy them at $23. So when the S&P starts dropping, we go down another 20%, we'll have an SDS goes up. It's called an invert. So it makes you more comfortable. It's going up, and it's supposed to go up when the market's going down. So why don't you join my gang and follow us on SDS? I mean, we got some wonderful stocks we've been working with. Now, we just started a short today, TNK. That's oil tankers, a bunch of oil tankers. We just showed our people. We just showed them this morning on our color-coded chart. It turned red 3 days ago. So now we'll every day tell them exactly what to do, how much to add to them, how much profits, when we want to start taking profits, when to add, when not to add. They don't have to know anything. They don't have to come to class, nothing. As I say, we have a tremendous amount of people who say to me all the time, Phil, I love your radio show. I just don't have time to learn. Or I got time to learn, but I don't want to learn anything. I just want to make money. Can't you just give me a stock? We do better than that. We do it for you. We do it for you. Tell you exactly what to do. I mean, we're not going to come over to your house and do it for you. But if you can't spend 2 minutes, just 2 minutes, we posted at 2 o'clock, so let's say you come home for supper. You can't just take 2 minutes and just decide what to do with one stock? You're going to make more money you ever will in a 401k. Try it for 10 days. Sell yourself. I'm not trying to sell you. You sell yourself. Free for 10 days. Check it out. Hey, we'll be right back. Remember St. Jude when you're making money.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. How many times did you say, boy, he's negative about the stock market? He's just a grumpy old man. Well, it proved out I was correct. Myself and my chart, color-coded chart. Tells you when to buy, when to sell, when to run like hell. Hey, it's free for 10 days. Check it out. You get the color-coded chart and you get my membership. Both free for 10 days. This time, you're not going to be surprised when the market crashes. You will be positioned perfectly. Check it out, philsgang.com. Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. How many times did you say, boy, he's negative about the stock market? He's just a grumpy old man. Well, it proved out I was correct. Myself and my chart, color-coded chart. Tells you when to buy, when to sell, when to run like hell. Hey, it's free for 10 days. Check it out. You get the color-coded chart and you get my membership. Both free for 10 days. This time, you're not going to be surprised when the market crashes. You will be positioned perfectly. Check it out, philsgang.com. When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
Thinking about investing in the stock market? Go to philsgang.com, where we have over 50 years experience in trading and investing in the stock market. Phil's Gang teaches you how to make profits in the market with stock chart analysis, up-to-the-minute alerts, and always keeping you informed with professional guidance in long and short-term positions. Go to philsgang.com or call one of our professional staff to answer your questions. 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Stop wondering about your financial future and start doing something about it.
Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Game. We've got a couple opportunities in stocks that have been, they're really well-known stocks. They're in everybody's mutual fund. The hedge funds buy them. And one of them is Ralph Lauren. Ralph Lauren. And what a wonderful opportunity. I wouldn't buy it now, but this is what we always do. We start reviewing stocks. We start scoping them down. And then we're way ahead of them. Remember when I kept telling you buy gold and everybody thought I was nuts and nobody was buying gold? And every day all we heard, how is it a rocket ship? The market's a rocket ship. And I said, no, it's not a rocket ship. And then we bought it early. Then when they started to talk about gold, we already had 20% gains when they started to talk about it on Fox and CNBC Business. But Ralph Lauren is one that's setting up nicely. Don't buy it now. Now, I know a lot of you, I talk about the stocks. You say, well, gee, why would I join the gang? He just gave me the stock. I'll do it on my own. Well, good luck to you. I'm giving you 10 days, for heaven's sakes. Okay? 10 days to show you what we do. So you sell yourself. I'm not here to sell you. Never want you to join the gang because when I give you the percentages, like McDonald's were up 11%, Starbucks were up 19%. I don't want you to join the gang because we're up 11% and 19%. Or TNDM, we're up 24%. That's not the purpose. No, I tell you that. I want you to join the gang because finally I want you to get peace of mind where you can say, for the first time, I want to be in a position where I know it's time to get out of the stock before it goes down. I know it's time. Instead of the stupidity they hand you, cost average down. I never heard anything so stupid as that. Hey, look, I got you that stock at $120. It's now $100. You can buy some more of it. Oh, really? You think you can get more for me? You think I'll try hard. I'll see what I can do for you. Then he calls you back. Oh, I got an extra 100 shares for you. Really? The 120? I can buy it now. It's 120. You're going to buy it for $100? You call your wife. Hun, Bill just got me my stock. Remember the stuff we bought at 100? Now it's at $80. Then he comes in and calls again. Does you buy some more? Now the stock's down to 60. He says, cost average it down. You call your wife back again. Hey, remember Bill? You know the stock we bought at 120? Now it's at 60. Isn't that wonderful? We bought more of it. Can I bring him home? I'll bring him home for dinner. Go home for dinner is a note on the kitchen table. Goodbye. I didn't know I was married to such an idiot. Cost averaging down, you got to be an idiot. That's like having a spare tire that's flat. And you're driving along with your family, the thing goes flat, you get out and look at it and you say, don't worry, family, I'm all set. I'm going to cost average down. Look, I got another spare. It's flat. Isn't that wonderful? It's the same thing. You got to be an idiot. But this is not your fault. We got gangsters. So we got Ralph Lauren setting up and BBY, Best Buy, BBY setting up beautifully. Think about it. Best Buy is down 72%. Don't buy it today. I'm not telling you to buy it today or Ralph Lauren. But what we do, we put it on our group of stocks called our watch list. And we monitor those every day for a week, for a month, whatever it takes. And then we'll get in immediately. It starts turning green. It's telling us money is coming in. And here's the beautiful thing. If the stock's at 60 and it's red, and now it goes up to 78 and it's still red, and it goes up to 98 and it's still red, we don't get in. Because the beautiful thing about the chart is staying red. It's telling you don't get in yet. Because the institutions aren't buying quite enough of that stock. You could wake up tomorrow morning, it could drop on you. Then all of a sudden it turns at $100 green. Well, you think, oh, that's bad. He should have got it in the 60s. Now, really? You think I should have got it at 60? Well, let me tell you something. I got a higher probability of getting to 132 from 100 than I did from 60. Because if I got in 60, any one of those mornings I wake up, market could be down, or that stock could be down 30, 40%. But see, they don't tell you that, do they? They don't tell you that. So join my gang. It's free for 10 days. You get the color-coded chart, and you get my membership. I mean, just think about what they have done. They have, this Federal Reserve are a bunch of gangsters. There are fewer and fewer good jobs because of the Federal Reserve. They destroyed the middle class, which is the backbone of our economy, because it's the middle class who has most of the discretionary income. They're the ones that create startup businesses. They're the backbone. They destroyed them. The result of the Federal Reserve. 53% of our workers have less than $1,000 in savings. Imagine that. Don't send somebody $600 extra. Don't send, because that's going to stop. Don't send somebody $1,200. That's going to. Why don't you just stop with the withholding tax? See, the market needs consumption to function. We know that. But the consumption is debt. Since 2008, for 12 years, everybody's been consuming with debt. They didn't buy a pair of shoes. They went in debt. They didn't buy a Wave Runner. They bought debt. They didn't buy a bicycle. They bought debt because they're not using any savings. I mean, it's amazing. This is all the Federal Reserve. So you're out there purchasing debt, and the debt's getting higher and higher. They can't fix this. This has been 12 years of this crap. They can't fix this. The purchasing power of the middle class is totally tanked. When you get that purchasing power of the middle class tanking, it's over. It's over. Productivity is done. Consumption and the stability to our economy is done. Done. The middle class purchasing power since 2008 has tanked. That's why our economic growth is that we're not growing. We're at a rate of 2.9% for 12 years. Middle class are the ones that needed the tax advantages, but they gave it to the big corporations who, by the way, were never paying 35%. They kept saying, oh, they're paying 35%. No, they can't compete. They're paying 35%. They were never paying 35%. That was a bold-faced lie. Their effective rate was always 11% because they own Congress. You don't think for one moment Shifty Schiff would take a bribe? You don't think these congressmen take bribes? They're trading stocks with inside information. See, instead of lying to everybody, we're going to cut them for 35 down to 11% so the corporations do better. No! Leave the corporations alone at 11%. Instead, here's what you should do. Stop the withholding tax. If you stop the withholding tax, then that money people save on withholding, they'll help pay things like child care. That would help health care. We always hear child care is a problem, health care is a problem, college is a problem. Well, you can fix that in a minute. Stop giving the corporations the big tax cut. Get rid of the withholding tax. There you go. Remember Dodd and Frank, those two gangsters, those two crooks? Barney Frank? They paid off. They got paid off unbelievable. They got paid off. They took bribes from the building industry. They were the ones who went out and said, start borrowing against your home. Barney Frank and Dodd, borrow against your home. Borrow against your home. Your home's going to go up in value. Your home's going to go up in value. They were the Chamber of Commerce, for heaven's sakes, for the banks. They're promoting for the banks. How'd that work out for you? So I can't fix that, but here's what I can fix. I can fix to make sure when this market starts dropping again, you're going to be an SDS making money when it's dropping. If the market starts going up the other way because they financially engineer it to the upside, you're going to be in Ralph Lauren. You're going to be in BBY, but you're going to get it at the right time. And here's what's better. You're going to get out. For the first time in your life, you're going to know when to get out of BBY, when to get out of Ralph Lauren. You have a 10, 15% gain. You're going to know when to get out. You don't have to worry about that anymore. You don't keep having to call your broker. What should I do? What should I do? Those days are gone. Those days are gone. Look, this mess that we have right now, when they close this economy down, let me tell you, this economy is just not going to start up. It's not. Please join my gang for 10 days free. Go to my site, philsgang.com. And it says, get started. Go right there. It says, working investor. You get the charts, membership, free for 10. Just try it. If you start making money, help St. Jude. See you in the charts.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.